Hi everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to log a timesheet in our timesheet system. This is used so that you can get paid and so that everyone can track their time by project. In many cases, many of us are actually working on multiple projects. So here is the main dashboard and this is the main interface. What you're going to do is go to the timesheets and you're going to click on Timesheet Ninja. And what you'll do is you'll see a bunch of timesheet cards. And the basic way to really do this is create a daily timesheet. This needs to be done by day. I'm just going to create daily timesheet, and you'll see that I have projects and project tasks. So you'll take a look here. This is the project called In-Source Leads. I'm going to put that today. I spent, actually today is Thursday, so I'm going to move to Thursday. I'm going to spend, 0.5 hours follow-up consultant on Zoho notification issue, right? So I'm just going to log a little note, 0.5 hours or 1 hour. 0.5 hours would be 30 minutes. I think 0.20 would be 15 minutes. You have to do it by the decimal. 1 hour would be just the number 1. And you could see that I'm logging that for this particular project. But you can see I have other projects here. So I can go on another project and put follow up and setting up meetings, right? And this is how I do it. And I could skip to the next day or the following day. We'd like you to do it daily. And then after you're done, just hit save. If you do not have any projects or project task, there's probably a couple of things you have to do. You usually have to go to timesheet settings, and you have to make sure that in the timesheet settings you have projects and project tasks configured. So that's one thing. And if you still don't see any timesheet data or projects, it's probably because you don't have a project task assigned to you. So you can see if I go into a project task, and I scroll down and I see a project task here, we got to make sure that one of these is actually assigned to you. So I'm going to take one of these tasks, whatever it is that I'm doing, and I'm going to assign it to me here using the assign to. For most of new projects, we have to create new tasks, so feel free to do that on your own. You can create project tasks right within the interface.